Hi, you're welcome back. It's been interesting learning together with you. If you are just bumping on this for the first time, this is our skills challenge for 2024, and we are getting started with 100 days of code challenge. We want to push ourselves to grab 2 certifications, and we are using free code camp platform to do it because it's interactive, it makes learning fun and easy. Yeah, and it is free as well. So if you are just seeing this for the first time, you may also consider using free code camp. And the beauty of free code camp is that you can, apart from the steps, the different steps to learn the different modules, you can also go ahead to do certification projects that can help you work towards getting a certification. So that's the beauty of it. And in previous classes, we looked at building a card photo app, basic CSS by building a cafe menu, and I also started CSS, learning CSS by building a set of colored markers. I actually started that on my own. I don't think I showed any video on that. And today I ran through learning HTML forms by building a registration form. So these things are actually so easy. If you can do it in one fell swoop, why not? Otherwise, you can take it in bits. There is no hurry. Yeah, though we are giving ourselves 100 days of code, it's actually just to be able to motivate ourselves, encourage ourselves, push ourselves so that we'll not sleep on this. Because for quite a long time, I have tried starting, but I will not finish. I'll try starting, I will not finish. But this time around, said, okay, let's learn together, and that's why we are doing this, so that those of us who may have the same challenge can, of course, join in this and be able to participate. And if you haven't really been able to explore the previous videos, please do, because it will help you to understand more where we are and where we're going. So this registration form, this is how it will look like when you're done. At the end of the day, when you finish, it will look this way. So what do you do to get there? You get going and get started. You put in the building blocks. Don't forget your tags, because sometimes when you miss your HTML tags, you may not understand where your challenge is coming from, and you keep struggling and struggling and struggling before you're able to find out what is actually holding up your code. Yeah, so this is lovely. If you get it right, it will tell you. If you miss it, it will also tell you. I've actually run through this, but I just want to be able to show you a little part of it and encourage you to finish up on your own. So these are all your building blocks. You include them, you put them. It's telling me something that I have made a mistake somewhere. Oh yeah, I can see it. I'm supposed to put my language attributes in those inverted commas. I missed it. Okay, so let's see if that solves the problem. Oh, closing tag for my HTML. Yeah, definitely, definitely, definitely. Definitely. I love using free code camp. It makes learning fun. See, it makes learning fun. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, makes learning fun. So next, you need to add your head and body tags. Okay, you add your head and body. All right. But you know how it is. Anywhere you have errors, there are websites you can check. If you as you work on this and you meet difficulties, you can drop a comment in the comment section, and other people can respond, or you can check the Free Code Camp forum. Yeah, this is the forum. If you go to the forum, you will be able to see, you can ask a question, you can just use the or you can check previous questions that other people have asked, because people have done this over time and they have asked a lot of questions. So you can come here and search. For example, here now they are asking me to add the opening and closing head and body tags. Assuming you are having challenge with this and you don't know what to do, all you need to do is just to copy it. Yeah, just copy what you have been asked, and you go over to the forum, you drop it there, and you click search, and you will notice that other people have asked the same question previously. Other people have asked it. So all you need to do is just click on any of them, and you will see the questions they asked, and also how the questions were responded to. Let me just show you with this example. Okay, for example, here this person have asked this particular question, and the person is not sure where the challenge is coming from. So people responded to this. So that is how this works, and that's how you can also approach it, and that's how you can be able to make something out of it, and that's how you can be able to overcome any anywhere you have hitches. You can also check this MDN website, and you can check everything that has to do with building your website. So the same thing, you can come this way and also ask the same questions. Yeah, you can search through. They have a well-packaged tutorial here where you can go through and run through, and you'll be able to all the topics that are connected to this, and then you'll be able to have solutions to the challenges you may be having. So that is how it works, and that's how you can get going. So let's continue where we are at the moment, and then we can progress from there. So we are being asked to provide the building blocks, the head element, and so you put your tags there, opening and closing tag of that element, and opening and closing tag of that element there, as well as the head element and the body element. But in the head element, you can talk about a few things, and good thing is you can also put notes for yourself. For example, you can decide to make a remark there and all of that. This is like a comment, and you'll be the only one that will see it later on. So let's see. So that goes through. That's what they are asking for. Now you keep moving that way, you keep progressing. Now in the head element, they want us to add the title, and they also want us to add the meta element, the title element and the meta element to the head, so that we can give the project a registration. The title of the project will be registration form, and give it a jar set attribute with value of UTF-8. The beauty of all of this is that these are in the head element. It doesn't show on the website, but it needs to be there because search engines will need to see what this is all about. So it's simply to put in everything that they have given us here, and we're able to put it in and give it back to them. Now if we progress with this and move down the steps, we'll be able to cover the 65 steps in this particular module, module of this course, and then we'll be able to have the finished products, and it will look, I've actually gone through this earlier and I was able to get to the last point, and this is the form that I coded. This is how it appears, this is how it looks like. So if you also do same, I can just do the last step here. At some point it will move from HTML, and then you need to do a little bit of CSS as well. So this partner is part of the CSS, and is asking me to put this link here, asking me to change the color of this link. So in your CSS you can use that to be able to get your link. This is how you capture it, and then so we want to change the color of our link, so we put we indicate that color, and what we are changing the color is the color of the terms and conditions. Here it is showing blue, but we want to change it to this color, and you can see that the color has changed. It has changed. So that is what this has done, and then we can check if we are done, and we are done. So that is the end product of this particular challenge. So I have actually gone through all of this, and I want to encourage you that if as you go through it, you have a question, you have a comment, you can drop it in the comment section and we will all discuss it together. And I also want to encourage you that if you have already done this before, or you have some knowledge of HTML and CSS, but you have not used Free Code Camp, and you are interested in getting the certification from Free Code Camp, so you can also come here and focus on these certification projects. This is one. The survey form is one. Another one is the tribute page. Another one is the product landing page. Another one is the personal portfolio web page. These are all certification projects. So if you already have knowledge of HTML, CSS, so you can focus on these projects, these certification projects, and be able to get them up and running, so that you can quickly move on to claim your certification. So we hope that by in a few weeks from now, we should have run through this, claim our certification, and then move over to the next course. And the next course will be JavaScript, algorithms, and data structures certification. So these are all of there are so many other courses here that you can also take one after the other and keep progressing and gather all the certifications. And as you get this, of course, you begin to position yourself for much better job opportunities, business opportunities if you're an entrepreneur, because a lot of the followers on the channel I know are entrepreneurs. As an entrepreneur, being able to diversify your skills base is actually a plus as well. And in fact, having your hands on software development also helps you. And after this, hopefully we'll be able to get into some other business courses that can also help us to pursue our business, or even to run just personal consulting business. So I wish you well. I look forward to celebrating with you as we run through this. I'm learning, we are all learning, and together we'll meet at the top and we'll celebrate. All right. If you have any question, any comments, just drop them in the comment section and we'll get talking. So bye for now. See you when you get your certifications. All right, just that's by the way. Of course, you can always come back and we'll get interacting and then we'll be learning.